Hey guys, welcome back to channel. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. Today I'm having the Rockerz 255 Bluetooth earphones. They come with 10 mm drivers and a great battery life up to playback of 6 hours, as it is said here. The MRP of the product is 2,999, but it usually retails around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees, and I got it for 1,100 rupees from Amazon. So let's open and see how they are. Okay, so I'm opening. We get the earphones in this plastic casing. They are snug fit around, and okay. Other than this, we have a little zip pouch in which we have the cable, a small charging cable. It's a micro USB cable, no type C in here. And then we have two extra tips, AU tips, so that total counts of 3. And then we have the product brochure. Okay, that's a good thing. We can see various other products, headphones, speakers and cables supplied by both. That's a good thing, and quite many. And here's the warranty card. This product comes with 1 year warranty, as stated by Mr. Hardik Pandya. And here I have the user manual. The user manual tells about the basic features, functions, the charging time, and also it comes with IPX5 water and sweat resistance, so it's a good thing, and also support some type of noise cancellation, so that's good. And now we have some various other functions for this buttons. The middle button acts as the on off as well as play pause button. Okay, multifunction button. And on the back it also states that it also supports voice assistance, so it is a good thing. And the bottom we have some cautions and precautions to make sure we don't keep it in direct sunlight. Next we have the earphones. They are a bit tiny for right now. The build is completely made up of plastic, and yeah, I guess for the price range the plastic was the best suitable material. We have the charging port here on the left hand side, on the right hand side, I'm sorry, and the inline remote control with the whole LED. And on this side we have nothing. I think the battery is situated in here. And these are the ear tips. They are constructed in half metal and half plastic. Okay, so they are magnetic, which is amazing, but though it does not have a vibrational motor for notification and calls. And the rubber material used on the tips is also good, as well as on the ear hooks, which can provide more support. On here we have the left and right markings to know which one is which. And with these ear hooks, they won't come out of your ear even while you're working out or running or day-to-day basis. This is the audio recorded from the microphone of the Rockerz 255, and this is how it sounds. The cable is a dual tone red and black color. The cable looks flimsy and cheap, but the quality is amazing. And here we have the board branding. I guess we have a little more branding on the earphones, or less branding would be good, but yeah, that's what it. The plastics do feel soft to touch, and yeah, it is good. And also we have the left and right marking as well. In this inline remote we have the volume up and volume down, which also act as buttons to change tracks, and the middle button act as on off, playback and pause, as well as activating the assistant. Also, these buttons feels quite good and also a soft in touch. And also this is the lid which covers the micro USB port, and I guess this will do protect from water and sweat. So let's see how well it will perform. And these joints at the end are quite sturdy, and I don't think the cable will break very easily. And here we have a small little hole. This hole acts as the microphone hole as well as the notification light. Let me turn it on to show you the notification light. Yeah, you can see it starts blinking blue, which tells that it is in pairing mode. Yes, and the neckband is also made of plastic. It is flexible, and I don't think so it will break even if I go it through extreme pressures. So I think for the price it's amazing product, and you won't get under 1500 rupees more better option. Thanks for watching. Bye.